If you want to enable or disable Quick Share on Google Pixel 11 Pro, first you can go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, go to Connected Devices. And then in here, we can go to Connection Preferences. In this menu, you can find Quick Share, so we can just select it in here. And now, in order to turn it on or off, you can go to Who Can Share With You. So in this menu, if you want to turn off Quick Share, you can just turn off visibility. On the other hand, if you want to enable Quick Share, then of course you can activate visibility, but also, in addition to that, you might want to adjust the visibility. So instead of using your devices or contacts in order to make sure that your phone is detectable by pretty much every device near you, you might want to switch to everyone for 10 minutes. And there we go. This is how we can activate Quick Share. But actually, besides that, if you go to the, if you open notifications, you might be able to find this Quick Share button here. But you can also open the full panel over here of Quick Settings. And generally speaking, you can just tap on this Quick Settings button to jump to Quick Share. Sorry, Quick Share button to jump to Quick Share, actually. And if you stay in this Receive menu, then it means that temporarily you are visible to everyone. So you don't have to go through settings in order to turn on Quick Share. You can just go here, wait for files to be sent to you, accept them, and just stay there until you get everything. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.